Hello everybody, I know it's been quite a while, but I'm finally back with another video, and tonight I just wanted to show you guys another one of my Knex Carnival rides. This ride's called the Screamer, and it's very similar to the Skymaster or Kamikaze. The only difference is the Screamer only has one arm, as to where the Skymaster and the Kamikaze have two arms. Now, the real Screamer is made by a company called ARM, and the Kamikaze and Skymaster, I'm not sure what company builds those rides, but they look just about the same. Even though the Screamer only has one arm, they look about the same, so they may be built by the same company, I'm not sure. But anyway, this is my model of the Screamer, and I just wanted to show you guys how it sets up and everything, so I'll go ahead and get started with that. Show you here, the first thing I'm going to do, if you notice here on the front, there are two sets of steps. A set of steps here and a set of steps right here. So I'm just going to lift up a set of steps here, place them on the floor, a set of steps here, place them on the floor. And if you notice right here, there's 4 red rods that are holding the steps on, so I'm going to push those down so they'll be out of the way when the ride's in motion. Okay, and if you notice right here and over here also, there's some little green nub rods, and that's what the steps are going to connect to. So these red connectors are just going to snap on here to those little green nub rods. I'm going to put a set on each side. So you have the steps going up and down on both sides. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is take off the counterweight for the top of the ride, and it's right back here. I'm just going to disconnect a couple of gray connectors from a couple of yellow rods. This is the counterweight. Just going to put it here on the floor for right now, and I'm going to push these 2 yellow rods back down out of the way. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is unlock the vehicle, which is right here where the people sit. So to do that, I just disconnect this red connector and this red connector, and I'm going to point them inward like that. And as you can see, this piece right here is what was holding the vehicle in place. I'm going to put the vehicle back here for the time being. And so this doesn't get lost, I'm going to clip it over here and slide it down out of the way like that. Okay, the next thing to do is to raise up the main tower. I know you can't see it, but up under here there's a couple of blue rods that I disconnect from a couple of blue connectors, and that allows the main tower to fold up. So I'm going to do that. I just unclip and unclip, and as you can see, the whole main tower is ready to come up. I'm going to slide the camera around here and show you how it connects. Okay, these blue rods, 2 blue rods down here, I'm going to connect to another couple of blue connectors, and now the tower is up. Before I can go any further, I've got to go in here and connect the shaft, because if I don't connect the shaft, the ride will not spin. It can be a little aggravating, but it's all worth it in the end. All right, the shaft is connected. Okay, now it's time to put the vehicle on the bottom of the arm, and that's simple. All it does is spread out, so these two little light blue colored rods, these gray connectors are just going to slip onto the blue rods like that. All right, got that done. I'll show you what we've got so far. All right, the next thing to do is raise up the top part of the arm, or the top arm. And if you notice right here, there's a little gray connector. I'm gonna slide it down because that's what was holding the top part of the arm in place. And if you can see right here at the top, there's some gray connectors back there, and when I fold up this part of the arm, these orange rods are going to connect to those gray connectors in the back. Okay, got that done. Now it's time to get the counterweight here and put it up here on the top. I gotta move this little green nub rod to the back side because that's what was holding the top arm in place. But to put the counterweight on, it's simple. I got a couple of green nub rods here, and there's gonna connect one there and one right there. All right, gonna get back and show you what we've got so far. All right, next thing to do is to take off a support arm, or take out a support arm and put it in place. It doesn't really serve a purpose other than looks. I could go without it, but I think it looks a little bit better with it. It's down here at the bottom. I just disconnect it from a little gray connector and slide it out like that. And if you look right here, there are a couple of little orange connectors, and this little support arm, which is really like a hydraulic type arm on a real Screamer, is going to go right there. Okay, as you can see, it's not wanting to move, and the reason why is because I still have it locked. So to unlock it, right here I have to unclip from an orange connector, and I'm going to take it off because if I don't, it'll be in the way of the ride when it's in motion. And I'm going to clip, no, it goes down here. Okay, I'm going to clip it down here. Like that. Fold it down. And this little gray connector that was holding the top arm on is going to slide up like that. And now we have a fully set up Knex Screamer. I'm going to slide the camera back here as far as I can, get up there and give it some rotations and show you how it operates. It operates with with a hand crank and gears. I don't have a motor on it or anything. I'm not a big fan of Knex motors. I like to use the hand cranks and the gears and the shafts and stuff like that. But anyway, that should be a good angle there. I'm gonna get up there and give it some rotations. So here we go. I'm gonna try to stay out of the way of the camera. I hope the camera caught all that. But yeah, like I said, it's very similar to the Kamikaze or Skymaster. Excuse me. I've never seen a real Screamer in person. I've just seen pictures and videos on YouTube of real ones, but I thought I'd give a shot at building one. I know it's not 100% accurate, but I did the best I could. Gonna bring the camera up here and try to show you where all the magic happens with this hand crank and gears and stuff. As you can see, the hand crank is down here, and if I just push it a little bit, the ride's ready to go. But if you look down in the bottom, if I can zoom in, those gears turn, and when those gears turn, they twist a shaft that goes all the way to the top and cause another set of gears to turn, which causes the ride itself to spin. Okay, gonna try to get you guys another good angle of the ride. I'm gonna zoom back out. Okay, I'm gonna get up there and give it some more spins from this angle. It's a pretty good angle. I'll try to stay out of the way of the camera again. I tried to stay out the camera, out of the way of the camera the best I could, but yeah, that's the Knex Screamer. I would rack it back down, but it racks down the same way it comes up. So and the video's already almost 20 minutes long, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and cut it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Get over here and see if I can find another good angle. Pretty good angle. It's kind of hard to find a good angle. The ride, it's not huge, but it's kind of large, so I have to get way back here with the camera. But anyway, that's it for the video on my Knex Screamer ride. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've got some more rides that I've built that I want to do videos for, and when I get more time, I'm going to do videos on those. I've just been really busy with work lately here with the holidays and everything coming up, so I haven't had much time to build or put videos up or anything. So I've just been working on rides as much as I can. I just haven't been able to as much as I used to, but I'm gonna keep them coming. If there's any type of ride you'd like to see me try to build, let me know. I've got some more I want to show you guys. I don't want to spoil them or give them away or anything, but I'll do videos for those when they're ready. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, suggestions or anything, leave me a line below. And until next time, thanks for watching and happy building.